Happy National Home Buyers Month. It's day 5 of our series. Today's topic, credit scores and home buying. What do you really need to know? If the word credit makes you nervous, you're not alone. This stuff can be confusing, but I promise to keep it simple and friendly. Let's dive in. Why your credit score matters. Let's talk about that first. Lenders look at your credit score to decide how risky it is to loan you money. Think of your score as your financial trustworthiness number. A higher score can help you get a better interest rate, meaning a lower monthly payment. But you don't need a perfect 800 to buy a home, which is great, right? Far from it. So, what score do you need? So, let's talk conventional loans, right? And this just means they're not government backed. Most lenders want to see at least around a 620, which is an average, score. A lot of people, 620 seems like a low score if you're looking at those apps, but it's a good score. For an FHA loan, popular for first-time homebuyers, you can often have a score as low as 580, but you have to have at least 3.5% for your down payment. In some cases, even scores down to 500 can work, but you have to put down at least 10% now. Not all lenders allow that, so that's like few and far between. So let's shoot for 600, right? If you're looking to buy a home, let's try to get your score over the 620 mark. VA loans are for veterans, and USDA are for rural areas. Those can be flexible on credit scores. They often go between the 580, 620 and up score. So you want to look at that. But here's the bottom line. If you're 620 or above, you have a lot of options. And if you're lower than that and you're between 580 to 619, you still have options like FHA, but you may pay a bit of a higher interest rate. If you're below 580, I would recommend take a couple of months to improve your credit score. But don't lose hope. There's strategies to boost your credit score, and we are going to have some tips to improve your credit if you need to, right? So first thing you want to do, check your credit report. You can get a free report from each bureau annually, so keep that in mind. What you want to do is look for errors that might be dragging your credit score down, and you want to dispute them, right? This way you can make sure that everything on your credit report is correct. You want to pay down your debts. This shows your credit utilization, and what this means is this is how much of your credit limits you're using. So this affects your score also. Paying down your credit card balances below 30% of your limit can give you a quick boost. So if you have a $100 card, you should have no more than $30 left or like that you have to pay on the credit card. So also something that you need to know, no big loans. During the home buying process, avoid taking out new loans or credit cards. Don't finance a car. Don't buy new furniture on your credit, not just yet. Wait till after you buy the house. New debt can lower your credit score and it affects your mortgage approval. So you want to wait. If you're in the process of buying a home, do not buy a car, do not buy furniture, do not get your credit pulled at all. Pay on time. This is huge. So set up reminders or auto pay to avoid any late payments. Payment history is a big chunk of your credit score. So even if you just set up automatic payments for the minimum, you can always pay extra later or in between. Now, this is a New Jersey specific note. New Jersey also, it actually has some credit counseling programs for first-time homebuyers. And when you're doing the classes, it's sometimes required for certain programs. So remember that we have those, but that can help you improve your financial picture. So you can always go and take some of these classes. If your credit score is a challenge, I can connect you with approved counselors or New Jersey programs to help you get on track. Remember, your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Lenders also look at your income, your savings, and your debt to income ratio. So don't be discouraged if your score isn't perfect. I've helped buyers with all sorts of credit histories become home owners. If you're unsure about your credit or you want advice on getting a mortgage ready, right? Reach out to me. My number is in the video, it's in the link, so please give me a call. I can help you review your situation confidentially and point you in the right direction. You got this, and I am here to help. Next on day 6, we are going to talk about saving up for that down payment. See you on day 6. This is Marva Morris, your Central New Jersey Realtor, moving you forward. Happy National Homebuyers Month. Have an awesome day.